Let's look at an OKR for an engineering team. Now, when they were brainstorming things to focus on, they realized that two of their issues were likely to lead to the same outcomes. So here we're looking at both system stability and time to deploy. When they thought about the outcomes they were going to drive, they came up with things like deploying more often, decreasing the time it takes to deploy, the speed to fix outages, delivering more value, getting DORA metrics data, decreasing the number of bugs, reacting quickly to customer needs. So when it came to think about the metrics that they were going to use to measure these outcomes, they decided to use the DORA metrics, because these are industry standard ways to measure the effectiveness of an engineering function. So these four metrics are deployment frequency, lead time for change, mean time to recover, and change failure rate. So then the team moves on to objective drafting. And once again, they came up with a few different ways to phrase this objective, but what they finally landed on was adopt the DORA metrics in order to react faster to changes in customer needs and become elite performers. So the key results look like increase deployment frequency from every 3 months to every month, decrease the lead time for change from 1 month to 1 week, increase mean time to recover from 2 days to half a day, and decrease change failure rate from 50% to 15%.